Friends who often watch our videos, you might know that we previously focused on HG970 for the probe replacement handheld humidity meter from HENGKO. Today we'll show how HG981 and HG982 can precisely check humidity in high-temperature environments. In industrial like printing and dyeing, drying, baking, and fermentation, precise humidity control is crucial. But quickly and accurately detecting humidity in high temperatures is a challenge for many companies. The HENGKO HG981 and HG982, designed for high temperatures, remain stable at 80, 120, ensuring accurate measurements. With advanced sensor technology, they achieve high-precision humidity detection. One-button operation is easy. Large-capacity storage is convenient for data recording and export. The detachable probe and automatic calibration function extend the equipment's lifespan and ensure measurement accuracy. If your project needs these two models, please contact HENGKO today by email kai@henko.com.